Alright, this is how to fix an iPad that won't turn on and your screen is black, or aka bricked iPads or iPhones. I almost did something retarded listening to YouTube. This stupid dude right here, iPad uplink, he said the only way to fix it is to restore your iPad and lose everything on it. And I almost did it because I couldn't get mine to turn on. I'd plug it into the charger, nothing would happen. I knew it was supposed to have some battery life left, and I was wilding out. Like, how am I gonna fix it? So I almost restored it like this moron told me. Alright, but look, there's my iPad back fully, not restored, back to normal, without losing anything. And this is how you do it. I guess this guy can start you off on how to do it. You know, plug it up to your computer, hold the power and the home button, and once it goes into recovery mode, when you see the iTunes logo, connect to iTunes thing, once you're right there, do not click restore in iTunes. I went ahead and just let iTunes load up, you know, but I didn't restore it. I unplugged it. I didn't hit restore. I unplugged it, and I held the power and the home button again, and that turned it off. And once it was off, I just turned it back on. I can't remember exactly how I did it because I didn't even think this was gonna work at the time. I was just trying anything to not restore it and lose all my stuff. And so once it was off, I think maybe I held power and home again to turn it on, or maybe I just hit the power button or something. But do not restore and lose all your data. Just keep playing around with it, going into that recovery mode and unplugging it before you restore and powering it back on. And mine came back the first time I did it, first time I tried something. So there you have it, man. The truth. Don't listen to everybody you hear on fucking YouTube.